Guys, welcome back to a new Boom Beach episode. This is for Christmas. If it's late, then I'm very sorry. As you see, my tanks are very loaded up. And new season has started, season 18. And look at this. We had a restart. It's small. So I'm thinking we put one on each edge. Anyways, so I'll be right back. We gotta put our gold warship trophy in the front, because it looks real good. Put one sniper, one mortar. I don't know what this season's gonna be, so go check out Cosmic Duo channel or other channels that give you sneak peeks. Anyways, since our last one, we do have all these things open. There you go. Just let me open it all. Not bad. I'll be back after I open it all. Alright, I guess this season's gonna be Cryoneers. I'm just gonna have to upgrade my landing craft. And then, what's this? Okay. I'm thinking I should go straight to Rifleman. Unlock Cryoneer Bombardier. Ooh, the prototype. Ooh, HQ-12? I can get, oh my gosh. Guys, I think we can get that. Anyways, I guess we gotta upgrade Cryoneer. Might as well upgrade a few things. Let's see. Alright. So, got a lot of upgrading done. I got cannons. This is the base. So, let's try our first battle. Of course, let's put in our Cryoneers. Don't know what they do because they're like HQ, like 19. And this is gonna be a fun season. Ooh, okay, this person. I don't even know what's happening. Yeah, I know I lost. Alright, that was a bad start. Alright, here's like an easy one. Both of them are right there, so I guess I'll put our men down. Oh, I just lost again. So I'll be right back after a victory. Anyways, other than warships, it's actually pretty good. My defense, these two cannons are level 8. My landing crafts, 3 of them are level 12, which is really good already. Let's see my heroes. I have a level 9 Sergeant Burke and a level 6 Craven. The last time that you guys were here, it was like my hero was level 4, my Craven. And now all my abilities are level 2. Well, soon. And this one you can now upgrade to level 3. So I'm gonna do it after that. And of course, my armory upgrades. Mega Crab just ended. I got wave 16. Of course, I'm the best. Here's a trophy. The stone firework trophy for the New Year's. Anyways, look at all these buildings. I still need to upgrade. And of course I can upgrade my statue holder to hold one more. And I'm really close to my next purple what is it called? Masterpiece. Look in HQ13, got HQ12 and now HQ13 rocket launchers. I still have to get my boom cannon, but I'm gonna do it after I finish this The 6 hour. Here's the bases. I still haven't destroyed. Might as well we can try to destroy this base. It is easy. There goes the easy resource base. Because I switched it after it was getting harder and harder and keep getting attacked. And we got a new defense. A mortar. Might as well put this in front for baiting people in. And then when they get that mortar, they're gonna have to go through that cannon. If they bomb it, then let them bomb it. Oh yeah, now I literally secured my gold lieutenant status, so I won't, every time I log on, I won't be like, oh, you lost this many trophies. Oh yeah, and I got a new landing craft. It's level 2 right now because I'm too busy upgrading all my defenses, but I'm going to upgrade that soon. But before I got HQ 12, I made sure everything is upgraded, except armory upgrades. As I told you, there's a lot. I still had one. I still had to upgrade all these things. If it wasn't for Mega Crab, it would have taken ages. Like, I upgraded Brick like 3 times just to get its ability. It's a good ability, but just... I'm not going to use Craven yet until I get, like, Smoke, I guess. Oh yeah, we do daily operations, so make sure to join the task force, Dark Force. Here's all the operations we did, and this is just from 24 days ago. Anyways, yeah, I have. Oh yeah, my hardest resource base is this one. Can you just believe this? Watch. Like, what is this? How am I even supposed to beat this unless I have smoke or something? Like, I'll show you the smoke. You got an HQ 14. Right here. Smoke screen. Protects your troops with a smoke screen. Troops inside can move but cannot fire or be fired upon. Yeah. So like I really need that to take out a lot of bases. It'll be easy, and I can hold like how many? I can hold like 5, 6 warriors. Well, for not 5, soon 6. Anyways, I'll be right back to find a base. I find a good level 35 base is a little easy. Trying to avoid that one boom mine. I guess it won't work. Oh no, I messed that up. Oh no, 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 no. That's not good. Yeah, I lost some tanks. Or maybe not. Ooh, that was a close one. I almost lost a tank. Oh, I think I already lost a tank. Wow. Anyways, back to warships. Alright, finally that victory came to me. Alright, we got some magma. I think we can actually finally get, Oh, never mind. Okay. Well, Anyways, back to warships. Well, hopefully my men are trained up. Right. Hopefully we got this because I forgot to use up all my stuff. So now all of it is upgraded, so perfect. They're splitting up. This person was in Crystal Lake, so this person's good. Hopefully I get this one battle. Come on, hurry up. Alright, 310. I'll be back once this battle is done. Alright, victory is ours. We got like... He literally just went for this side, all men, and then just went straight to this side. He didn't like split up his men. Anyways, I have no reinforcements, so yeah. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And this time, since Warship has started, I shall film more Warships. Also, I can show you a quick attack on Mega Crab Stage 15. This was snipers, this was cannons. And you already know it's gonna just bomb out the core for like a minute and a half.